Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how you can change language on Paramount Plus. Now most of the series or the movies in Paramount Plus are in English, and it really depends if there are some that are, say for example, in a different language at the beginning, and then you can go ahead and change this to English. But this really depends on the series or the movie itself. What you can actually go ahead and do is before you go ahead and play this, there should be an information that allows you to see if there are some additional languages available. Now say for example here we have this series called Bargain, and as you can see here it has English subtitles and audio available. So this is a series in Korean, however you can go ahead and change this into English. So how do we do that? So say for example, let's go ahead and play the first episode. Now how we can actually go ahead and change the language is all we need to do is to go right here on the top right, and you should be able to see subtitles and audio. So just go ahead and click on this, and then you can go ahead and change the audio right here. So you can change this to American English, or you can change this to Korean.
Hey!
Hey there. Sorry I'm a little late.
So as you can see there, it is currently in English, but if we're gonna head and change this to Korean, then let's go ahead and take a listen.
찾기가 힘드셨죠? 여기에 좀 외지더라고요.
그래서 좀 추운데 은행에
And there you go. So you've now managed to go ahead and change the language as is. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.